HIPAA Compliance Essentials, Common HIPAA Violations. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA, is a U.S. law designed to protect the privacy and security of patients' health information. It sets standards for how healthcare organizations, insurers, and their business associates should handle and protect health data. Failure to comply with HIPAA can lead to significant financial penalties. Although many data breaches are caused by cybercriminals or other risks like malware, ransomware, and phishing, breaches are also due to employee behavior and a failure to follow defined procedures. In this video, we'll explore the most common HIPAA violations that can lead to breaches of protected healthcare information. What are the most common HIPAA violations? Some of the most common HIPAA violations include failure to perform an organization-wide risk analysis. Failing to perform an adequate organization-wide risk analysis is one of the most common HIPAA violations that are penalized or fined by the Office for Civil Rights, OCR, a division of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, responsible for enforcing HIPAA compliance. If risk analysis is not performed regularly, organizations struggle to determine if vulnerabilities to the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of PHI exist. Insider snooping. Employees snooping on the healthcare records of family, friends, and celebrities is, unfortunately, a very common HIPAA violation. Accessing the health records of patients for any reason other than treatment, payment, or healthcare operations, as permitted by the privacy rule, is a violation of patient privacy. Failure to evaluate business associates. Failing to enter into a business associate agreement with all vendors that are provided with or given access to PHI is a common HIPAA violation. In recent years, the OCR has been more aggressive in enforcing these penalties. Failure to properly secure electronic health information. HIPAA requires covered entities to implement appropriate administrative, physical, and technical safeguards to protect electronic health information. Unauthorized access to patient information. HIPAA requires covered entities to limit access to patient information to only those employees or business associates who need it to perform their job duties. Failure to provide patients with access to their health information. HIPAA grants patients the right to access and obtain copies of their own health information. Failure to provide proper training. HIPAA requires covered entities to train their employees and business associates in privacy and security rules. Breach notification failures. HIPAA requires covered entities to notify patients in the event of a breach of their unsecured health information. Disclosure of patient information to unauthorized individuals. HIPAA requires covered entities to obtain written consent from patients before disclosing their health information to anyone who is not involved in their treatment, payment, or healthcare operations. Failure to comply with these requirements can result in a HIPAA violation. Being HIPAA compliant is not just about preventing data breaches. HIPAA compliance is also about creating a secure and compliant environment for your customers' healthcare information. The experts at CampusGuard stay well informed of HIPAA regulations and will work closely with your team to guide you through the compliance process, avoiding costly penalties. Even if you are a small company, we provide a thorough HIPAA compliance assessment to help you remain compliant. For more information about HIPAA compliance assessments with CampusGuard, visit campusguard.com/HIPAA. Check out this free download, HIPAA Essentials Compliance Guide and Checklist. Our guide and checklist are designed to help you navigate and manage your organization's HIPAA compliance requirements effectively. It includes HIPAA guidance, a detailed requirements checklist, worksheets with actionable steps, and more. To download the guide, visit campusguard.com/post/HIPAA-compliance-checklist. In addition to a HIPAA compliance assessment, CampusGuard provides HIPAA compliance training for your staff. CampusGuard's courses are designed to provide comprehensive online training that satisfies all compliance requirements and information security needs. To learn more, visit campusguard.com/training. Link found in the description box. CampusGuard can provide guidance with your HIPAA compliance program. Reach out to CampusGuard to get started at campusguard.com/contact-us. Want to learn more about our HIPAA compliance services? Visit our website at campusguard.com/HIPAA. Links found in the description box. For even more resources about HIPAA compliance, we've provided links to helpful articles and videos in the description box. You can also check out our blog at campusguard.com/insights.